Hello everybody, my name is Nick. Welcome to another video tutorial. Today we will discuss a little bit about how to create music using artificial intelligence. And websites who do that appeared already, so it's beautiful to start to do it. Basically, artificial intelligence will start to create music for you. You choose what you want: ambient, electronic, rap, hip hop, stuff like that. A beat, what beat you want, if you want vocal or not, what to do with that. And artificial intelligence will start to compose for you that part. And after that, you can edit a little bit. So basically, I choose what I want. Look here, you can see already I choose what I want. I want to have I use Boomi. It's a website. You can go on this website and you can create music using artificial intelligence. It's beautiful also because you can share it, and that's a beauty thing. Anyway, let's start to see. I choose to have ambient music for relaxation. Okay, so ambient music, and of course I want to have also to edit a little bit this song. My song, his song, artificial intelligence song, till now sounds like this. It's quite beautiful, I think, to hear this song. I think it's quite beautiful to hear this song. This song show me the real creation of artificial intelligence. Basically, this song has been created by an artificial intelligence, and this is an ambient, for if you want to sleep, if you want to relax. Okay, good. Now I can use something to edit the new song, new title, new song. It's Angelonic Relaxation. Album new title is Angelonic. Okay, tag relaxation. Okay, and Angelonic. Didn't find nothing with Angelonic, so it's good till now. I'm the first one appeared apparently. So everyone can see my song and can play my song. Okay, song information and stuff like that. So save. Okay, you need to have an account for that. This is my song. If I want to add a vocal, I can do that using that, but because it's an ambient, it's not quite okay to put vocal there. Okay, so because of all this, let's edit a little bit. I can rewrite or I can edit the arrangement a little bit here, and listen, this is the arrangement. Okay, let's put something like this first. Okay, this here and this here, and save the edit. Artificial intelligence will recreate all this for me, will link together for me, and I will have a song basically reorchestrated, to say like that, regenerated, regrouped, recreated, basically reorganized is better to say, and the artificial intelligence will generate all this for me. Listen, well, how is now? I think it's beautiful. Actually, I will let this song like this because I really like it. Honestly, I really like it. It's good. It's good. It's a good song. Basically, I created the song live now for you, so it's something very, very, very nice. This is my song. If you want to recompose a song or you want to edit a production and so on and so on, you can do it, or just click next, creating the song. The song will be placed in library and you can share it if you want, I will share my song to my channel, my YouTube channel, if it's possible, if this interface will let me. Basically, what it's primarily here to understand, I used artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means a brain, an electronic brain, who can think more than just algorithms start stop. You know, in general, when you have a software just process information, and developer need to explain there what to do. You know, what is start with that, have this input data, and so on and so on and so on. After that, process, do that, have this result. In artificial intelligence, it's dynamically. That brain start to learn. That brain try to create, and that's why this song is created by artificial intelligence. Let's save everything. I have saved now everything, and that's it. I have a song, ladies and gentlemen, right now. A new song. Let's do again. Let's say Angelonic relaxation. Let's say Angelonic. Why not? Tag relaxation and Angelonic. And this is me. Okay, to everybody, everyone can see this part. Basically, the song is working, it's active, and everything is done. So it's very easy. Probably a user who's not very experienced or don't know a lot about artificial intelligence will not understand what is there. Just put generate. What's generated? Who generated that for me? What's going on? Artificial intelligence, that computer, that electronic brain, generate the song, create song for you. It's the song. It's also contain information. Okay, so in this case, he put information together in some designed algorithms, generated dynamically algorithms, to create something who's not on the market, to say like that, and I hope it's not on the market. You know, so this is it. I hope you like this this video tutorial. I know it's not software development this time. I promise next video tutorial will be also with software development, but till then I hope this was good for you to understand what's going on in this world, big world of IT, of computer science. Till next time, ladies and gentlemen, bye bye. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.